Welcome to the Brain Test Challenge. Hey Quasar, can you guess the word in 5 seconds? You'll have 5 seconds per question. Ready? Let's see how much you are smarter. Question 1. A yellow fruit that monkeys love. Yes, it's banana. Something you write with in school. Correct, it's pencil. It tells you the time and you wear it on your wrist. Yup, it's watch. A pet that barks. Write your answer in comments. Dog. A sweet frozen treat you eat in summer. Gred Jobbits, ice cream. You use it to call or text someone. Correct again, it's phone. You drink it, it's clear and comes from a bottle or tap. Got any ideas? Water. You wear these on your feet when you go outside. Well done, it's shoes. You sleep on this at night. Yes, it's bed. A red fruit often used in ketchup. You can do it. Correct, it's tomato. A big animal with a trunk. Yup, it's elephant. You read stories from this. Do you know the answer? Book. A place where you buy food. Gred Jobbits, supermarket. It shines in the sky during the day. Do you have a guess? Correct again, it's sun. You open this to enter a room. Well done, it's door. A round fruit that keeps doctors away. Can you guess the right answer? Apple. You use this to brush your teeth. Yes, it's toothbrush. A device you watch movies on. Not easy. Correct, it's TV. You write on this in a notebook. Yup, it's paper. A small buzzing insect with black and yellow stripes. Think carefully before answering. Gred Jobbits, bee. You wear this on your head when it's cold. Correct again, it's hat. A colorful toy that flies in the wind. Do you know the answer? Kite. You find sand and waves here. Yes, it's beach. Flying vehicle with wings. Got any ideas? Airplane. You cut things with this sharp tool. Correct, it's scissors. You wear these to see better. You can do it. Yup, it's glasses. A fast means of transport that runs on tracks. Great job, it's train. An animal that says meow. Correct again, it's cat. Something you open when it rains. Do you have a guess? Umbrella. A holiday in December with gifts and trees. Yes, it's Christmas. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel.